Hello everybody, welcome back to the REALME channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, what we're going to do is we're going to toggle the Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. So let's open up the settings, go to Wi-Fi and turn it off and turn it on. Now, as you guys can see, it is loading up our networks and soon we should be connected. And if you're not connected, click on the gear icon, on the information icon. We're gonna click on forget right here, click remove, and of course we're gonna re-add the same network. So all we have to do now is enter the password, click save, and we are back and connected. And of course we have Wi-Fi assistant here. Make sure that you have dual channel network acceleration disabled, and that's pretty much what you guys need to do here. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to restart the router and a phone. So to restart the router, it's all different for everybody depending on the router you use. But there's usually a switch on the back that allows you to turn it off and turn it on. This is a restart. There's no restart option. You can just turn it off and turn it on, and that counts as a restart. But for the phone, you press the power button, the volume up button at the same time, swipe up to restart, and it is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and as a last resort check for software updates. So we're going to open settings, scroll down, go to system and update, go to software update, and it will check for the latest version automatically. So my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.